Oh la la, welcome back my beautiful people of the internet. It is really good to see you again. As you guys know, my mission is for you to get the most out of your devices. And in this case, of course, we are talking about the Galaxy Watch 4. You may or may not know you have a Wear OS/Samsung component on your Galaxy Watch 4 installed that is called Health Platform. But why is this important? Well, it kept updating and updating and updating over the previous 4 weeks or so, and now I know why. Now you can, and I of course, but well, we can enable settings in the Galaxy Watch 4 that will help us to be more accurate, to have a more accurate reading, but also to be more efficient with the exercise data we will extract from the Galaxy Watch 4, especially when we are or you are using multiple apps like Strava, Adidas Running, you name it. But here's the key: by enabling those settings, the settings I will show you right now, you will also save battery life as a bonus. Isn't that wonderful? So what this platform does, it is like an API. Well, it is an API for every single application that is being developed for your Galaxy Watch 4. Let's say you have Adidas again, Adidas Running or Strava. All these applications that will use their very own algorithm to determine like what speed you have, the calorie burn, your heartbeat, you name it. And there are negative side effects by doing that. And one of the negative side effects is that so many people complained or have different results that when, for example, using like whatever, let's say Google Fit and Samsung Health, right? You're using that application to track your exercise data. Let's say simple step count every single day, but you have simply different results for every single application you look at. But at the end of the day, every single application is using the very same sensor, right? The Galaxy Watch 4 bioactive sensor. So another negative side effect of that fragmentation is that it will decrease your battery life of your Galaxy Watch 4, because every single application or every single app will work in a silo, if you like. It will try and figure out the best possible way to determine whatever you want to see on the screen, and that is just not really efficient. And all of them using the same sensor with different results. Okay, let's fix this right now, but let me make you a Galaxy Watch 4 power user right now, right here. So please take your Galaxy Watch 4, take it in your hand, open up your app shelf and go to settings. And you should see here right in the middle, you can see when you scroll down, there is something called Health Platform. It's kind of a green icon with a heart in the middle. It looks a bit like a recycle bin icon, but it is what it is. It's Health Platform. Please press on it, and now you have different options available. Please press on the first option. It is called Profile. And here it is important that you enter your data, your gender, your height, and your weight, because that is a starting point for all other applications for the Health Platform and so on. Once this is done, you come back out, and then you can see down here, Samsung Health is basically connected to the Health Platform. You will see this under Connected Apps. Please click on Samsung Health, and you can see you have a vast amount of options now available to choose from. You can see here, allowed to receive the following data, and you could basically simply turn on or toggle on and off every single data point you want to have synchronized or enable for the Health Platform. The same also, as well as send the following data, so you can send it back. It's basically a two-way street if you like. Personally, I switched on Allow All, which makes sure that all data is being used as efficient as possible, going both ways, meaning receiving and sending my exercise data to the Health Platform and vice versa. This is really, really good, and it will also help you increase your battery life for your Galaxy Watch 4. Peace.